Hi, all of you. Now, this video, we have taken the longest interview experience by our student, which ranges to around 38 to 40 minutes. Okay, we have covered all the minute details which were asked in the interview. Okay, not only for Triple E branches, but for all the branches. And plus, we have covered all the queries which were asked by our students in the comment section. So, I would like you to watch from the start till the end to get to know the entire interview process of TCS NQT 2021. Now, in this video, no, at the end, one of the queries, there were around 4 to 5 queries, but one query which we addressed was, can we upload a new resume in the TCS NQT website? Okay, and in the video, our student had told no, I think he didn't know about it, but you can upload your resume. What you have to do is go to Next Step website. Over there, when you log in, on the left hand side, you will have something known as edit application form. Okay, click on that edit application form. When you click on that form, you will have a new page, okay, where personal details, academic and work experience details, other details, all will be there at the top. You have to click on other details, and in that, when you scroll down, you'll have an option called upload CV, and you have to go over there and upload your updated CV. Now, there is one more doubt by few students, sir. If we upload the new CV, and our previous CV also would be recorded or not, it mostly won't be recorded. If you ask me, 90% whatever was your old CV wouldn't be recorded. Whatever is the new updated CV, that will only be recorded. 90%. If you're like, sir, I don't want to take even a single percent risk. Okay, what do you do is try not to subtract anything from your resume. Okay, now if in your CV which you have uploaded, it has C programming. Okay, but you do not know C. So in the new resume, you take out C and you put something else. Okay, now in the interview, if they ask in your previous resume, you had put C, but in this you have not put C. Okay, you have changed it. Be prepared to answer such questions. Make your answers. Okay, you have a lot of time, prepare answers. But if you're like, sir, I don't want to subtract anything, I want to add more, it's a pure green signal, go for it. Okay, the more you add, the better it is. So if you're updating your resume, adding more features, please go ahead. If you're like, no, sir, I want to subtract few things from my resume. Okay, you can do it. 90% no risk. 10% there might be a risk if they have collected before and they have previous resume and new resume. If they have, that might be a risk, but prepare accordingly for that. Okay, so hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I am Himanshu Sharma, and today we will be sharing interview experience of our beloved student Mukesh, who's from Tamil Nadu in Triple E department, that is Electrical and Electronics department. Uh, TCS NQT 2021 interview questions. Without wasting time, let's start. Hi, Mukesh.
Hello, sir.
How are you doing?
Yeah, fine, sir.
Fine. This is the second interview we are having with you. First being the Infosys one.
Yes, sir.
So we are glad to have you again, and we are very happy that both you're looking at you the way you're smiling. I'm very sure your interview would have gone really well.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are very happy that both your interviews, that is Infosys and TCS NQT, went really well. Okay, so Mukesh, with let me just confirm you are from Triple E department, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir. Triple E. Yeah.
Okay, so could you please share your experience with us?
Yes, sir. Sure. Sir, first of all, I got the mail from TCS yesterday night only,
Huh.
around 9:30.
Mm-hmm.
That my meeting is scheduled today at
Hmm.
2:30 p.m.
Hmm.
in Microsoft Team platform.
Microsoft
That
Teams.
meeting platform is Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft Team.
Okay, okay. But till
Okay.
now, no, whoever gave their interview, they told sir it was conducted on Cisco WebEx.
Yeah, but for our campus, it's for all Microsoft Team only.
Okay, okay. Huh. When did you receive the
Then
mail? What time did you receive the mail
yeah,
yesterday?
yesterday night, sir, around 9:30.
Okay, and your interview was today.
Today, 2:30
What?
p.m.
2:30. So 9:30, 2:30. I think approximately you got 15 to 16 hours.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. That is quite less. Just getting 15, 16 hours before. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Huh.
After that, when I joined that meeting around 2:20, I joined the meeting.
Huh.
But I have waited for around 40 minutes, sir.
40
Because my
minutes.
meeting scheduled at 2:30,
Hmm.
but that panelist joins at 3 o'clock.
Oh, so that 40 minutes would have been like 4 days for you.
Yeah. Yeah, yes, sir. I'm thinking how it will be start, how much I have to wait like
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
Then
Okay.
again, after that, when they join, three
Huh.
panelists are there,
Huh.
like first HR,
Hmm.
then TR, then MR.
Okay.
First, for friendly question, he asked me about you had your lunch. I told sir no sir, because of tension I didn't take lunch till
Okay.
now.
Huh.
So he told that we have done that, we have done our lunch,
Huh.
done with our lunch. Then
Huh.
we have more power than you. I
Huh.
can ask you more question you can expect,
Hmm.
but you can't answer all these question, na. But
Huh.
you, because you don't have the lunch
Huh.
today. Sir,
Huh.
I told sir I can try, sir. I can
Huh.
try my best, sir. I can give you all the answer.
Okay, okay. Next time, no, never tell that because of tension I didn't have lunch. Don't say that. It shows that
Yeah,
you're already nervous, you're already tensed. You should not show that
yeah,
you're tensed. Correct? No.
yeah, sure,
Next
sir.
time, don't tell because of tension. Okay. Huh. Hmm.
Then that HR sir introduced that HR and MR, who is the persons and
Huh.
where are from them, like
Mm-hmm.
that my TR from Chennai,
Huh.
then MR from Kolkata, then
Wow.
HR from Bangalore, three different
Oh,
places.
full India. Okay.
Yeah,
Did you see that video?
yeah,
Or
yes, sure, yes, sir.
they had unmuted their
Yeah,
video
yeah.
button?
Yes, yes, sir. When they
Okay,
are
okay.
speaking, that then their videos came, sir.
Okay, okay. Because till
Like,
now,
yeah,
the ones who told, they told that sir, video was muted. For you,
yeah.
video was not muted and it was conducted
No,
on
sir.
Teams.
I
Okay,
I can see them, sir.
okay, huh,
Yeah. Then he asked me to introduce yourself. First
huh,
question
huh,
in 1 minute. Ask
hmm, okay,
introduce yourself in 1 minute. Then I
hmm,
introduced myself.
huh,
After that, he was telling that okay, you are from Tripoli.
huh,
Okay, we can start our technical round with technical staff.
huh,
Then he transport to the technical round.
hmm,
That my one of my ma'am handling the technical round.
hmm, hmm, hmm,
And then again she starts from like, okay, you are from Tripoli. I
huh,
can't expect much more programming. Okay,
hmm,
you are comfortable with which language?
huh,
I said, ma'am, I'm comfortable with C language, C programming language.
huh,
Okay, okay, no problem. Can you write a code for addition of two number?
hmm.
I told my yes, ma'am, sure. Then I
Wow.
have to write in a white paper.
Huh.
Then I have to face that in front of camera,
Okay, okay.
that paper.
Hmm,
Okay.
hmm,
Then
hmm,
she went through all the syntax, like starting from hashtag hashtag
hmm,
includes
hmm.
stdio dot has to last return.
Huh.
Okay. Means you want to like I know don't know about that coding syntax, the
Okay, okay.
structure, C program structure.
Do
You
you
want to
know
check
how to
that.
write it in the flow?
Yeah.
Okay, huh,
Yes.
huh.
Then I was asking that you spend or your whole BTech in Tripoli.
Hmm.
Then why you are transferring now in IT?
Hmm. Wow, this is a tough
Then
question. Huh.
yeah.
What
Then
did you
I
say?
told ma'am, yes, I have spent all the foreign in electronics and electrical, but
Hmm.
until now I have done 4 to 5 projects.
Huh.
In all the projects, I took help from CSC friends because of the codings.
Hmm. Hmm.
I am
Hmm.
lagging in that field only. But
Hmm.
in hardware part, I am strong. In algorithm part, I am strong. But how to write the code for
Hmm.
this, I am
Hmm.
lagging this. If I will improve in that field, then I
Hmm.
can grow for in a IoT sector or AI
Hmm.
ML sector, that future leading technologies like
Perfect.
this.
Perfect. Huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then she was asking like,
So
okay, you are
before
comfortable with
that,
C.
no, you told this, it is right. Okay. I'm thinking common person. Okay, who's not doing projects in IoT and all. So if he's a normal triple E guy, and if
Yeah,
they ask him that 4 years you have done in electricals and now you are shifting into IT. Okay, so how
yeah,
would that guy answer? I'm just thinking it would be better if we say something like, we read programming in our first year and that fascinated me. Though I'm inclined
yeah,
towards electrical, but even programming is something which is quite interesting and I'm ready to learn and improve on it and work on it.
yeah,
But then you
yeah,
have
like this.
studied for 4 years in electrical, right? So it's fine, ma'am. We have to go with the time and technology. So right now
Yeah.
there are more opportunities in IT for me to learn and grow. So definitely, why not?
Yes. You
Something
have to
like
go
that.
like the current trends. What is the
Huh.
current trends in market now?
Correct, correct. So this is what one can say if they ask, you have done 4 years in electricals, EC, mechanical, civil, why IT? Something like this can be told. Okay. Yes,
Yes.
Mukesh, please continue.
Yeah. Then she asked me that if I will tell you have to learn a new language,
Huh.
then how much time will you take
Okay.
to learn a new language?
What do you
I
say?
said I don't know. If I will means I have to learn a new language, only that language. Beside this,
Hmm.
no performance. Like this in Triple E, we
Hmm.
are studying that our core subject with that is little bit programming. So
Hmm.
you can't give the time that much in programming because we
Hmm.
have to study in our core subject also. If
Hmm.
I will get the time only for the coding, then I can learn the basics. Then step by step, I can grow in easily.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
I told them means like how much adaptive you are.
See, one thing which I have found, Mukesh, I have interviewed
Yeah.
so many, I have spoken to so many people who had given NQT.
Yes.
One common thing which I got to know from these TCS NQT interviews is they are checking how adaptive you are to learning a new language.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let it be with respect to your words that you tell or with respect to your body language which you make. Okay. So they get to know a lot and they're testing how adaptive you are to learn a language and through your body language, the way you talk only, they'll get to know a lot about it. And this
Yes,
is
yes, sure.
asked in for all the students, especially non-IT students. How much
Yeah,
time? The next time, if someone asks you how much time, answer to the point. Okay, how much time? Full
yes,
time if I do, from the start till the end, entire thing, I would take 20-25 days, something like this,
okay.
direct. Okay,
Yes,
so that in less time you are able to give all the information. Now, what you did, you told
yes,
so much that last point, it's still not clear how many days will you take.
yes, sir. After that, I told that if I will get chance in training period, then I
Huh.
can complete the course in training period only.
Okay, okay. But how much time is the training period?
Means their training period like 2 months, 3 months. Like if I
Correct,
want to learn in this time period.
correct, correct. So next
Yeah,
time, no, direct to the point, sir. If you want me to learn a new language, sir, if I start from day one, from the basic till the high end, I would take 25, 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, depending on the language, sir. Correct. C
yes,
programming, 25, 30 days is enough. Entire C programming within 1 month. Java might
yeah,
take 1.5 to 2 months if I do only
yes,
that. Correct, no?
yeah,
So next time, the goal is, Mukesh, in less time I have to give everything because
yeah,
their time is precious, even your time is precious.
yes,
Okay. Huh.
yeah.
Okay.
After that, the technical round is over, sir.
Huh.
Only this much he asked.
Huh.
Means not
That's
that
all.
that much technical questions. Yes, sir. Only that much.
One second, he didn't ask you about your project.
No, no,
No
not.
project.
I told that I would done projects so that
Hmm.
I want to grow in IT sector. I told that in before only, so that he
Okay.
didn't go to the depth of projects, then techniques, all these things. Only this much.
Internship.
No, no.
How
Internship
many?
manager round will ask
Okay.
in
Okay.
MR.
Okay. He'll ask that about internship.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. And
Then
so in C, he asked you only write a program to add two
write a
numbers.
program. Yes, sir.
That's all.
It depends upon the panelist, sir.
Correct, correct. But that's
Who
all.
is the
That was
panelist?
the only. No
Yeah, yeah,
questions on your electrical department, core department.
yeah, yeah. Manager round is he asked
Okay.
because he was from the electrical background.
Okay. 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 Now
When
comes Raukal
when
for you. Huh.
yeah,
Okay. Huh.
then he transferred to the manager round.
Huh.
Then first sentence he told, okay, you are from the my background branch in electrical and electronics.
Huh.
I told that I will go. I will start. Then he will start the electrical questions.
Okay.
Then first question about you know that he is pointing that in our house fan and lights are there.
Hmm.
What the things inside this
Hmm.
in fan or light? What the
Hmm.
components are there?
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
basic electrical and electronics components. Like
Hmm.
in fan, capacitor, motor, like this.
Hmm.
Then he asked about that if the what the working of a capacitor in a fan.
Hmm. 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 Okay.
Means its capacitor means like storing energy
Correct.
like this I have done. Then If then he asked that if the polarity of that capacitor will change, like positive to negative, negative to positive, then what will happen?
Okay.
Like that, the rotation of the direction will change.
Okay. Okay.
The fan rotation direction will be changed.
So it will change.
Like
Direction
this.
will change. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fan the rotating direction will be changed.
Okay.
Yeah. Then he asked about that starting method. He asked in which field you have interest, like motor, transformer, generator. I said that I have interest in motors, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Then ask about what is induction motor. Then starting methods of induction motor. Like we are using rheostats. Why you are using rheostats? Like we are giving the external resistance to limit the current, initial current. Like this, you have to start the induction motor. Like this, he asked about. Then after motor, he asked me about that. I did the internship at electric vehicle in startup company, Rigel Automotive Private Limited. Is there electric vehicles they are developing? So he asked me, what did you do there? About 15 to 20 days. Then how the batteries are connected in parallel and series. If you connect batteries in parallel, then what will be happen? Then if you battery connect cells, if you cells connected in series, then what will be happen? Like this. Basic concepts. It's about battery. Okay. After that, he asked that any real life experience to repair a fan or light in your home if a fan will be not rotating or a light will go fuse, then what will we do? Like this in real life experience. As an electrical engineer, you are thinking that I will do this one or I can repair this one. Like this. Any situation you face or not? Like this, he asked.
So what did you say?
I said that once in my hostel only that fan are not rotating. Then I tried 2-3 methods like this.
Okay, super good.
Then he asked about the circuit breakers. What is the working of circuit breakers? Where you are using circuit breakers? Like this. Then rating of circuit breakers. About circuit breakers, he asked 2-3 questions.
You were able to answer all.
Yeah. Well, okay. Yes, sir. Then he in intro part, I mentioned that my father is a businessman. So he asked about why you are choosing the IT sector, means that company life, corporate life. Why you are choosing? If your father is doing businessman, you can do a businessman with father, na? Correct, why you are choosing this? Like you studied 4 years, then now giving interview for a company, then you will join, then work for company. How much? Why you are taking this much headache? Simply join with your father.
This is a trap question, huh? He is smiling and asking, it is a trap question, huh?
Yes.
So what do you say?
Then I said that I means like I have interest in business, but that much not like, because I studied from in my academics I have good. So I studied in BTech in electrical automation. I have interest in that field. So I want to grow in this field only, sir.
Wow. Super.
Then he then he asked that, okay, if your father will don't do business, then you will be not here now. Well, yes, sir. Because of my father only, I'm here. You are taking my interview also. I'm joining in like this only, sir. Okay, you are respecting your father also. Like he want to know. It means your father doing businessman and you will do a job. Then you are respecting each other or not? Like this.
Obviously, correct. Super.
You want to
this
test.
Is the best answer you have given. Super.
Yeah. After that manager around, he asked me. He told me, okay, your knowledge means your knowledge are sound. You are sharp in knowledge. Like this, he's told her. Okay. Then after transferring there to HR again.
So that done with your
in manager around this much.
Management round questions. That's all. Only he asked that.
Only yes, sir. Yeah. Okay. Only this much. Then in HR round, he asked that questions about like in my academics I wrote 1 year gap is there after 12th and BTech. Why this gap? Means what did you did in 1 year? I said that I have taken that advanced JEE course, JEE training for 1 year. Okay, no problem. He said that. Then he asked about your academics in average all are in 60% above. I said that yes, sir. Then you know all the rules and regulation of a fresher in TCS, like 1 year agreement bond, all these things. And I said, sir, yes, sir, I know all these things. Okay, thank you. Then you can leave after that.
Super.
Only this much.
Good. So your interview has gone well. The only thing which you could have improved is, sir, because of tension, I didn't have lunch. No showing tension.
Starting.
Yeah. But it's okay, fine. That is very minute. So anything you can recollect from your friend's interview, Mukesh?
Yeah, sure, sir. One of my friend done a project on AI and ML. With the means in our third year we are having a MDD lab. Like we can get help from other department students also.
Okay.
Like I am from electrical, I can get help from mechanical or CSE. I can do a projects with them.
Correct.
Like so he did a AI and ML project with a friend of CSE background friends.
Okay.
So he asked about the AI, what is AI, ML, then difference between AI and Q learning. Then how is MI related to AI? Like this. All the basic questions are MI and AI. Like because he first of all he told that I am getting help from my CSE friend. So I have done this project. After that they are asking only basics. On about AI and ML. Yeah.
Okay.
Then one of my friend got that basics. He wrote in Python language. So ask about basic concept of Python. Then independent prompting in Python. Then my exposure to data analytics and tool I should do. In data analytics, he did a project. So what tool do you use? How are you familiar with this tool? How you got that knowledge about this tool? Like this.
So basically, people should know about their projects.
Yeah.
So if you
full
use
A to
any
Z.
technology in your project, you should know about that technology. At least the basics if it is not from your department. The technology.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Then where I see myself in 2 years.
Okay.
That HR questions. One of my friend got.
Okay.
Then machine-oriented programming, that like PLC, SCADA in our electrical core. PLC, SCADA is there. The tools. Okay. Ask about the tools. Then because he did that industrial training in that category, PLC and SCADA.
That is why they
then he asked about that. Yeah, PLC and SCADA. Then one of him got what your darts do. Then how do you change it in list and tuples? Then difficulty.
That is DBMS, no? How do you list and tuples?
Yeah. In the if you means if you give answer according to that means they will ask more and more.
Correct. Did you study this one DBMS and all? Did you do it?
No, sir. No,
you didn't. Okay.
It means some of my friends did like external certification or online course like this. If they mention means they are getting that question, sir.
Okay. So you didn't write it, so you were sure that you will not get it.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Then another like all of my main that got the explain your projects only. Main question.
Correct.
Because they don't know about you. If first they will see what is your intro. They will frame 2-3 questions from intro. Then they will go for project. After project explanation, they will go for then frame 2-3 questions about project. If you done the industrial training, then you will ask for industrial training. Or else they will ask for about the programming language, which language you are comfortable. Then they will ask question about that language like this.
Correct. So Mukesh, one thing which I've observed and which I really appreciate about you is for this interview you have written down collected questions, questions which was asked to you, collected and written from your friends. So all the viewers are and myself, we really appreciate this, okay? Because not everybody would do this, for others.
Yeah.
Correct. This extra effort.
No problem. Because I am also yesterday 2 days before I am also searching in that triple interview questions like this. What will they ask? But that much questions I didn't get. But I collected from my friends that okay, this much question they will ask from triple E today. So I want to speak about that.
This nature of yours, this will take you to great heights. Trust me on this. Being humble and being so helpful, this will take you to great heights for sure.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Then one of my friend got also triple E basics questions like what is transistor, capacitor, resistor, logic gates, then AM, FM. Then one of my friend done his project in SQL. Then he asked about that SQL was SQL concept. Why you did this project in SQL? Because you are from triple E background. How you got the interest in about this language like this. Then the one of my friend got OOPS concept also. They are asking everybody.
For triple E people also.
If you mention in C++ or Java.
If you mention, then only they'll ask. Or else they'll not ask.
Yeah. No. If you mention only C means they will ask only B, C only.
Correct.
If C++ and Java, Python like these codes are there, like object-oriented codes, then they will ask about OOPS.
Okay. Okay. Understood.
Then they are asking some fragments to logical questions, sir, like trick questions. If a cake is there, you have to cut 3 cut, but 8 pieces. How will cut?
What? Can you repeat?
A cake is there means a whole cake is there. You have to cut only three times, but finally you have to get 8 pieces. How will get?
3 times I have to cut and I have to get 8 pieces.
Yeah.
How do we do? Do you know that?
Means first, first like this straight, then vertically, horizontally, then 4 pieces are there.
Correct.
Okay, you have to keep these 4 pieces, one of the above, then middle one slice.
Oh, okay, nice.
Then 8 pieces.
Okay.
Like these logical questions.
Okay.
Then some of my friends got also that aptitude questions also, like speed, time, distance also questions.
Oh, okay. This is interesting.
Means in managerial round, they are asking aptitude questions also.
Do you know
speed,
like
time,
what
distance
was asked? Exact question, do you know what was asked?
So exact question I don't know, but about basics only, because without pen you can answer.
Okay. Understood.
Basics.
Suppose policeman is there, thief is there. Distance between them is 500 meters. Policeman speed 10 meters per second. Speed of thief 5 meters per second. How many seconds will he take to catch? Something like this, based on relative speed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this. Then all of my friends got that why EEE to IT. Super. That code to IT.
This is the question for all
definite question.
Yeah.
Then one of my friend mentioned about Java. He got that Bootstrap, Cascade Sheets, JavaScripts, like this, all the basic questions.
Okay.
And I saw that in my contact with my friends, they are hoping that you have to basic knowledge in Java, because they are doing all the projects in Java in TCS. Java basis. If you know about the little bit in basics of Java, that means they are happy about that.
Correct.
Java
either OOPS or Java, because one of the object-oriented programming language. Preferably Java, but yeah, even OOPS is fine, Java is fine, .NET is fine. All are object-oriented itself.
Yes, sir. Then, this one, sir.
Okay. So one more student, he texted me and told, sir, what do I do when they ask me, what if we don't select you for the company? What if we do not select you? Okay. And then he told, sir, my answer is like, I would again try for TCS, NQT, and I would see through that I get selected the next time. Okay.
No, if he can again attend like this, okay, you will get only one result. Like this, if you compare the score of my friends and me, then you can reject me.
Okay.
If you compare the scores, academics, if he will little bit down in academics, low in academics, he can serve. If you compare in academics record, then you can reject me, or else you can't, sir, because I have also that much knowledge.
This is the answer for why should I reject you?
Yes.
Why should I? But to him, he told, sir, this question was asked to my friend that what would you do if you get rejected in this interview? What would you do? So he told,
then again we will be prepared.
He told, sir, I would prepare again for NQT, TCS NQT again. I'll prepare, sir, and next time definitely I'll get placed. Okay, but tell me one thing. Why do you feel that you're only capable for NQT? Why not other companies? Am I right? Correct. So you can tell something like, I would introspect. I would get to know where I went wrong. I would work harder and get into the company whichever comes next, and I definitely get selected. This is the confidence which you show. Correct. So
confidence with confidence main thing, sir. Correct. If you don't know the concept also, if you try say in confidence, okay, sir, I will do it, sir. Okay, sir, I'll learn it, sir. Then they can okay, he was having that much confidence that he can do.
Correct. See, more importantly than what you say, it is how you say that is more important. Correct. No, the way you talk, the tone at which you talk, the way you present your words is more important. Because communication defines what you are. The way you communicate defines the type of person you are. Now you have heard, know how Rahul Gandhi talks, and you know how Narendra Modi talks, or you know other politicians how they talk. The way they talk defines the type of people they are. So it's all about your
Yes.
communication, the way you interact. So see to it that you give good eye contacts, you smile at them, and you talk in the best way possible. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything
This is
else?
a plus point, sir.
These are personality traits. In fact, when you switch on the video, okay, when you look at them, smile, greet them. Good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir. The way you greet them, they're only 50% of your interview is done.
Mhm.
They're getting to know a lot
Yeah.
about you. Am I right? The minute you tell
Yes.
about yourself, 70 to 75% of your interview is done. That 1 minute when you talk about yourself, till there, 25% of your interview is done. Now their job is to only test if you're good at basics and a bit of logics you have, and then done with it.
Yeah.
That's all.
Like analytic skills. How will
Yeah,
do in this situation like this?
correct. Analytical skills they check. Yeah. So anything else? Any other question which was asked you would like to share,
No, sir.
Mukesh? That's all.
This much only. For my student, my friends got this much, sir.
Okay, super. So that was.
So many repeated questions are also there, sir.
Uh,
Like why go to IT?
uh,
Then about that, then HR questions are also common questions.
okay.
Relocation,
Uh,
shifting,
hmm.
night shift. You are comfortable with this?
Okay. So yesterday one student called me. He told, sir, they asked me about night shift, sir. I told I'm more comfortable with night shift because I am a night owl. Okay, I study only during the night, so night shift is good for me. Yeah, I didn't know what to tell. I'm like, okay, but all of you, please remember, okay, that is not the way to answer. If they ask you, are you comfortable with the night shift? Okay, now night shift is not easy. It is quite difficult. Your entire sleep process will change. Okay, so if they ask something
Yes.
regarding that, you can tell, yes, sir. If there is a requirement, if it is needed by the company, I would definitely work at night also if needed. Okay, you
Yeah,
would,
yeah.
but only if there is a requirement, something like this. Correct. And
Yes.
they even ask, are you ready to relocate? Okay. Now, many of my students are telling, yes, sir, we are ready to relocate. Now, HR is asking, everybody are telling the same thing. How do we trust if you are really ready to relocate? You can say, sir, I'm in one college from 4 years. I'm in one place for 4 years. I want to explore places, meet new people, get into a new environment, sir. So I am willing
Yes.
to relocate, in fact, if there's an opportunity.
Yeah.
Correct. And
Like
that does
this.
not lie in their hand. You getting relocated or not is not lying in their hand. It is on the other HR of the company. They decide. The ones who are interviewing do not decide. Am I right, Mukesh?
Yes. Yes. Sure, sir.
Ah,
They're only the testing. Okay, you are how much comfortable with these questions and how we are giving answers like
correct,
this.
correct, correct. Yeah. And please
Yeah.
remember, they are checking your adaptive skills. Are you ready to learn a language? Okay, be
Yeah.
positive, be optimistic. Okay, from your heart, you make your heart in such a way that it is ready to learn any new language. Let it be C language, C++ language, or even any other country language also. You should be ready. They tell you, we'll put you in Kenya. Are you ready to learn Kenyan language? Yes, sir. What is that language? Secondary. Are you ready to learn? Okay, that is more important. Okay,
Yes.
so have this. They are checking your adaptive skills. Okay, so please keep this in
Yeah.
mind. Okay, Mukesh, thanks a lot. I again
Yeah.
appreciate your hard work that you have done for this interview. And I hope, I'm sure, man, it will help a lot of Triple E people for sure. Not only Triple E, other branch students also for sure. Okay,
Yes.
thank you very much again. All the very
Thank you, sir.
best for your results. Okay, you will tell me, sir. I have got into Infosys TCS, sir. Which one to select? You tell me, sir. Okay, I'm waiting for that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So all the best for your results, Mukesh. Thank you very much for sharing your information, knowledge, and taking out time for us.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I hope we have delivered the much needed information. Mukesh, one more thing they were asking that can we edit our resume once
No, sir.
TCS? We can't
No chance.
edit. That was one query which was asked.
In mail, they mentioned, sir,
Huh,
about you have to ready with your government ID proof,
huh,
then mark sheets of 10th and 12th,
okay.
and BTech also, like
Huh,
each semester mark sheets. With
huh,
that, one more thing is that TCS online application form
hmm,
is there in TCS Next Step portal.
okay.
You have to download from there.
Hmm,
Application form,
hmm,
soft copy of class 10, 12th, and BTech,
hmm,
then government ID proof. These three
hmm.
things you have to ready with the soft copies.
Soft copies.
Yeah.
Even government ID
And
proof also soft copy?
yeah, soft copy and hard copy also.
Both.
If your hard copy is not visible in this camera, then they will tell that share your screen and show your ID proof.
Okay, and even there is a chance of sharing your resume also during the interview. They might.
No, if you are changing if you are adding skills, okay, it's no problem. If they will compare, like, is there a Python mentioned in previous resume, but here you are cutting that Python, then they will ask about that. Why are you not confident about this question? This
that will become more
like this, they
dangerous.
can also cross question.
Yeah, that will become more dangerous. That you're simply inviting yourself into trouble.
You can add anything. Like I did that two, 3 projects also like this. Or I did certification course also.
When will you add
You can
it?
add things.
Okay,
Yes,
during the interview, when you share the screen, that is when you can show the updated resume.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that was one query, and one more query was, how long on an average will the interview go on? 20 to 30 minutes?
For me, sir, it's started 3 o'clock and ended 3:19, 3:20, means 20 minutes.
20 to 30.
And some of my friends got 30, 35, 40 like this. It's on an average 30 to 40 minutes, sir.
30 to 40 minutes. Is
not more than 30, not less than 30 like this.
Okay.
Because 3 panelists are there, sir.
Correct.
Each panelist will ask 10 to 15 minutes, means it will go to 30 to 45 minutes.
Correct. And any other queries which student had, that is what they were, many people were asking, sir, can we update our resume? So you can't edit your resumes in TCS. This is one thing which I got to know from many of my students. If needed, okay, you can update your resume, keep it ready and show it only if they ask you, or else do not show. Sir, please check my updated resume. You can't do that on your own. If they ask, then only please show it, or else please don't show it. Go with whatever you have done. Okay, arranged marriage types. That is the person, you have to marry that person. So that is your resume. You have to go with that resume. Right, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
So these were the queries. On an average, interview will also go for 20 to 30 minutes. Maximum people got it on WebEx platform, but now we are hearing that it can also be conducted on Teams, Microsoft Teams. Anyways, you'll get a mail, and during the mail slots, they would intimate, right? Will it be on WebEx or Teams?
Yeah, starting only they will say your reference ID, interview time, then they have a panel number, which panel you have to go, like this panel number, then required documents, then that system requirements, what are the, means like your Windows or a Chrome,
internet,
what that person should have, internet connection like this.
How much
mail they are mentioned. Sir, it's a minimum 2 Mbps, sir. 2
Mbps.
Yeah.
Okay. And it should be taken in laptop only, no? The interview should be in laptop.
Yeah, they clearly mentioned it should be in laptop only.
Can you read the instructions one, Mukesh, if you don't mind? You have it?
Sure, sir. Yeah. Like first, my name, dear P. Mukesh, then greetings from Tata Consultancy Service. Congratulations on being shortlisted for TCS Ninja interview process. We are glad that you are now one step closer to becoming a proud TCSer. Then we are committed to give you a great interview experience. Hence, we would like to share some information and instruction as below. Request you to follow them thoroughly for enjoying a seamless interaction. Then interview schedule and link, interview date, mode of the interview, link, then reference ID, interview time, panel number, and contact of a HR. If you face any problem during this meeting, then you can contact a HR. That contact details and mail ID is there.
Okay. His name.
After that, mandatory documents. Mail ID for me it's Bablu sir. Then Bablu sir mail ID also is there.
Okay.
Then mandatory documents for video interview, TCS online application form, soft copy of class 11 and 12, class 10 and 11, digital UG mark sheets for all semesters, then government photo ID proof documents.
Okay. This is soft copy and hard copy both.
Yeah.
Have they mentioned?
Then no, government photo ID proof, only that much they mentioned.
Okay.
If you have a hard copy, you can show. Or else if you have soft copy, then you can share your screen and show.
Okay.
Then please note, candidates should be ready with a soft copy of application form, can be downloaded from TCS Next Step portal. Then, and all the academics related certificates, all these things. Then you will not have to an edge over the candidate by virtue of your having prior work experience, like you are freshers. So no need of work experience, all these things. Then the interview will be happen through online video interview tool, requesting you to check the network and ensure that there is no lag. Then no reschedule of this interview would be possible. Candidates are recommended to use proper headset or headphone to avoid noise disturbance. Like this.
But they didn't mention on which platform they'll be conducting.
Yeah, that ID is meeting link is there.
Okay, in that
after the link, they in bracket they mention, sir.
Microsoft Teams.
Yeah, for me it's written there. Join on your computer or mobile app.
Okay.
Both the options are there.
Okay, fine. So I think that is more than enough for a student to get to know everything about the interview. I think this is the most detailed experience that we had till date, not only with NQT, till date. This is the longest interview we had. So thank you once again, Mukesh. All the best. Okay, again, waiting for the day when you tell me which to choose between the two.
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope this video was quite helpful, informative for you. With this, I wish you all the very best, people. May all of you clear with flying colors. Okay, study well, take care of yourselves, keep smiling. Okay, and I'll not tell you to subscribe to our channel. If you feel it is informative, if you feel it is helpful, then definitely you would do. I would not tell you to do it. Okay, thank you, take care, keep smiling. Bye, people.